I'd like for us to take a moment to reset, recommit, and refocus on the work we've chosen to do as consultants. Consulting is not an easy career field. It demands a lot from us. It demands long hours, sharp thinking, constant learning, professionalism, adaptability, and the ability to create value in fast-moving environments where the expectations are high and the margin for error is small. Our clients count on us to help them solve real problems, make smart decisions, execute important work, and move their businesses forward. This is a big responsibility, and it's a privilege. As we look forward in our careers, I'd like to challenge you to recommit to these 4 things. Recommit to your consulting career choice. This profession can open incredible doors for those who take it seriously. It can sharpen your thinking, build your confidence, expand your skills, and accelerate your growth in ways few career paths can. But it can only do that when you show up with intention. Recommit to your clients. Our clients deserve our best thinking, our best effort, our best communication, and our best professionalism. They're trusting us with important work. We need to honor that trust in every meeting, every deliverable, every email, and every interaction. Recommit to our practice. Every one of us plays a role in shaping the reputation of this team. The quality of our work, the way we communicate, the way we solve problems, and the way we support one another all contribute to the strength of our practice. We're not just delivering project work, we're building credibility, trust, and long-term value. Recommit to our leadership. Leadership is not just something that sits at the top of the org chart. Leadership shows up in how we think, how we act, and how we prepare, how we communicate, and how we take ownership. When we align with strong leadership and also lead well from where we sit, good things happen for our clients and for our teams and for our careers. That's why I'm launching Michael's Monday Morning Messages. These messages each week are meant to be practical, direct, and useful. Each week I'll share one message focused on a core consulting skill or mindset that can help you perform at a higher level right now. Not theory, not fluff. Practical reminders and coaching that you can put into action immediately in your client work and in your career. My goal is simple. I want these messages to help you think sharper, operate stronger, communicate better, lead more confidently, and raise your overall standard of performance. The benefit to you is growth, confidence, clarity, and stronger career momentum. The benefit to our clients is better service, better execution, better overall communication, and better outcomes. The benefit for our practice is stronger culture, stronger delivery, stronger client trust, and a stronger reputation in the marketplace. This is a fresh opportunity to tighten up our habits, to raise our standards, to be more intentional, to show up with greater discipline and greater purpose, to become the kind of consultants our clients value, our leaders trust, and our teams respect. So let's go after it. Let's recommit to excellence. Let's recommit to growth. Let's recommit to our clients. Let's recommit to one another. And let's make this our best year yet.